This is very strange. On Iran war, instead of going up, gold is going down. Before Monday market open, you have latest war news. Trump attack Iran once again. They destroyed everything except oil supply. So before Monday market open, before FOMC big start once again, you have new war news, new geopolitical risk at next level. So 5K area, big static horizontal support level. Price tried 3 times last week, all failed. So price trying very hard but not breaking below 5K area. 5200 is now our resistance. Previously it was 5400, but now it is 5200. Once this level break out, that will confirm bottom reversal. But before that, gold is doing new sideways range on Iran war. In case price make new lower low below psychological 5K area, there is a support 4900 to 4800. Let's see why there is a support and what you should do in case new lower low below 5K. When you see daily time frame, everything is clear. A big trend line. In case of new lower low, if daily candlestick test or close near this trend line, that is a big trend line. So that is your strong dynamic support before price make new lower low. Daily RSI you can see already they are near lower part of the range. In case new lower low, price close below 5K area on daily chart, RSI will be more oversold. So risk will shift from sell to buy side. So by default, seller will avoid selling and it will attract more buyer. Third, if you see wave counting, first wave A, then subwave C, which are 5 impulsive wave, that wave counting retracement, that will be near same place. So in case of new lower low below 5K area, your retracement level will start and they from 4900 to 4800. So these are level when you have retracement, oversold RSI more than last time and trend line. So in case of new lower low, psychologically you can see 4900 or dynamic level you can see this trend line. So in case of new lower low, everything will be perfect and it will be good for buyer compared to seller. So either you see dynamic level like oversold RSI and trend line or clear level 4900. So below 4900 you will trade with bullish bias, you will buy. But below 5K area, you will not sell, you will trade with bullish bias. Speech, cut decision and dot plot. If all those three things become hawkish, so up direction and dot plot, it show less rate cut compared to last time. Then you have seen in 2024, under Biden time, from September to December, they cut. When they pause, gold start flying. You saw once again under Trump administration last year, September to December they cut. When they pause, market start flying. And this is happening once again, third time. Entire February month you saw when they pause, yields were falling, bond market was doing passive rate cut, gold was up entire February month. So market doing opposite of what Fed do. You have seen 2 times and this is happening once again third time. So more hawkish FOMC speech, more hawkish rate decision pause and less rate cut at dot plot compared to last time. Market will do opposite and it will price in more rate cut than right now. Currently market pricing almost no rate cut for this year 2026. More it fall, that's mean market also price out cut for next year 2027. So after negative NAP and last week you saw GDP that is lower than expected, below 1%. So 2.4% CPI you can ignore. Market will focus on negative NAP and very weak GDP number that will force Fed to cut. Same to same like 2024 or 2025. If they hold interest rate till September month, then you can imagine NAP is negative right now. So you can imagine till September what NAP will do. So this is the reason 5K area big static horizontal support level. Below that area you will not sell. Below 4900 area you will trade with bullish bias. You can start buying again between 4800 and 4900 psychological level, because technically market will be oversold and all the cuts market is passing out right now, they are wrong. You will see multiple rate cut this year, and once cut start, once market pricing begin again for cut, gold can recover back to 5k area. So in case of breakdown on hawkish FOMC speech during that intraday movement, because Iran war create opposite condition, gold goes down on Iran war because it price out cut. Watch carefully how market saw rejection below 5k area and a price bounce or not from this trend line. You will follow daily time frame setup, but you will trade on H1 time frame and you will focus only on 4900 psychological area price action. Below 4900, above 4800, how price react on H1. If price close above this trend line with strong rejection, then you can confirm market again buying retest of a trend line expecting new higher high. So once 5200 area breakout on daily time frame, it will confirm bottom. Before that, a sideways range. Similar condition on weekly time frame. Now you have two red color RSI near lower part of the range. So after FOMC speech, after next Friday, market close more lower, more red. You can see daily and weekly, they will be more oversold. And it will be good for buyer compared to seller. Even if you see monthly time frame, finally monthly time frame is now refreshed, doing a correction. Possible 3 or C impulsive wave near 3.618 projection. It is sideways, 3 candlestick sideways and now red color. So due to FOMC speech, a month close red. Finally monthly time frame is doing a correction. So more price goes down, more it close red, more it goes down. Then you can see daily, weekly, monthly, all those time frame will be more oversold and technically they will attract more buyer compared to seller. And plus market pricing all the cut right now, that is totally wrong. Once rate cut pricing start, gold can recover back to 5k area. But everything depends on FOMC speech. They cut or pause and we don't know how much cut they will show in dot plot. Compared to last time, they will show less rate cut or just copy paste last ICP. But you have seen multiple times, you saw in 2024, you saw in 2025 and you are seeing once again in 2026. Every time Fed do opposite, market do opposite. So back to H4 time frame, your Elliott wave counting. Wave A, wave C subdivided into 5 impulsive wave on lower degree. 5200 main resistance area, not 5400. 5k area new strong support level. Price close almost there last Friday. A price breakdown make new lower low on FOMC due to hawkish expectation. Next retracement top to bottom. Below 4900 area up to 4800 area you will buy. That is your buy zone and watch carefully. This H4 time frame show rejection in this area or not. Hammer candlestick come or not. But if new lower low come, immediately price will bounce and it will retest 5k area immediately. Because 2026 all rate cut priced out. Next they will price out for next year 2027. That is totally wrong. Nothing can stop rate cut after negative NFP. More they pause, more they hold, more they become hawkish. Negative NFP will force more for Fed to cut. So 5200 area last resistance, 5k area first support level. More price close above 5k area, more it recover above 5k area, more good for gold. Once 5200 area breakout, bottom confirm. So this week FOMC speech, latest war news is ready before Monday market open. PPI news, not important due to oil price action. Oil and gold both are going in opposite direction, tick by tick. ECB interest rate decision and market is pricing hike for ECB. Market expecting pause for Fed and hike for ECB. So Fed pause, Fed so less rate cut in dot plot, ECB hike as market expected. When you already have negative NFP, it will create recession risk and more market will price in more rate cut compared to last time. So market Fed do opposite. So price in more rate cut more than last time. Fed need to pause and ECB need to hike. And this is the reason market is comparing. This is like a repeat of 2007. You have oil shock, you have ECB hike when you already have negative NFP. For a scalper, entire week before Friday closing, watch carefully price close near 5k area or not. More price close near 5k maybe above that area, more bullish for gold. And more price or rejection below 5k area, level are clear 4900 to 4800, more bullish for gold. Once price start closing above 5k area after FOMC speech, after clear dot plot, confirm gold is showing rejection above 5k area, closing on H4, good news for gold.